I'm Seth with Oklahoma Joe's, and today I'm going to show you our halftime charcoal starter XL. One of the first things you're going to need to learn to do if you're going to use an offset smoker or a charcoal grill is how to build a sustainable and controllable charcoal fire. One of the easiest ways to do that is with a charcoal chimney. Now, the standard charcoal chimney is one that I have right here, and if you've used this before, you know that they're extremely easy to use. Basically, you dump in charcoal, you put some newspaper or fire starters in the bottom, you light it, and you just walk away. After 20, 25, 30 minutes, you come back, the charcoal's ready to go, dump it in the grill, and now you're ready to cook. The only downside of these charcoal chimneys is that they can take a long time. I mentioned it's 20 to 30 minutes for this to be ready, and that's a long time to wait when you're ready to grill some food. Our engineers have found a way to improve on that, so that's where the Oklahoma Joe's Halftime Starter XL comes in. This product cuts that starting time in half. So to understand how we did that, you need to understand a little bit of the burn science behind how these work. So when you light one of these and the charcoal is burning on the bottom, it spreads slowly to the top. But you'll notice that with the small diameter, the tall height, and the total lack of air intake holes in the canister, there's really no way for oxygen to get in. It can come from underneath and it can come from the top, and that's about it. There's no way for the oxygen to get to the middle. So as the fire spreads upward, there's less and less oxygen available, which slows the spread of the fire. Also, the charcoals are putting out combustion byproducts like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, that further slow the spread of the product. So basically what ends up happening is it takes a full 25 to 30 minutes for the charcoal to get all the way to the top, and by the time the top is ashed over and ready to use, the stuff at the bottom is partially burned up and you've wasted some of your fuel before you're even cooking. With the Oklahoma Joe's Halftime Starter XL, we've solved those problems. So you'll notice right away the diameter is much, much larger and the height is shorter. It actually still holds the same volume and even a little bit more than a standard charcoal chimney. This will hold about 100 briquettes or 4 to 6 pounds of charcoal depending on what you're using. You use this just the same way. You pour the charcoal in, you put paper or fire starters on the bottom, but the fire will spread much faster with this because there's no lack of oxygen whatsoever. Oxygen can access the charcoals from all sides, so you light it from the bottom, it spreads quickly, and by the time the top layer is ashed over, the bottom is still solid, ready to go. So with this and about 100 briquettes, you're going to be ready to cook in 15 minutes, versus on a standard charcoal chimney, it's going to take 25 to 30 minutes to get that load ready to cook. So it's cutting your time in half, which means you can step back and enjoy time with family and friends that much quicker. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to do several videos on how to use this product and give you some good tips and tricks along with some demos. We're also going to show some head-to-head comparison with the other charcoal chimneys just so that you can see how drastic the difference is. Thanks for watching today, and I hope that this video was helpful and that you'll join us in the future.